Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have OPPO A2 and I want to show you how to add shortcut icon to your home screen on this device. To add our shortcut icon to our home screen, we must open Google Chrome and go to the website which we want as shortcut icon to our home screen, and where we are on it, we press 3 dots on the right corner and now add to home screen. There we can change the name of our shortcut icon, and when we do it, confirm all by odd and odd second time. That's all, we have our shortcut icon on our home screen right there. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!